So on number 34, we're supposed to find the value of x and give your answer in simplest radical form. So x is this side length from here to here, and this is not a right triangle. So there's a couple different triangles that we can look at here. There's this one, which is a right triangle. There's this one, which is also a right triangle, because this is a right angle, so that has to be a right angle. And then I also have this big triangle, which I don't know if it's a right triangle or not. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, well, if I need to figure this out, what else do I need? I need this side length if I'm looking at this triangle, which looks like this. So that's 20. This I don't know. That is a right angle. And then somewhere along the line, there's this, and this is x. So I don't know this piece. But maybe I can figure out this piece because of this. This is 5. Now I know this is a right angle, so I can say that. So we have that there. And then between this triangle and this triangle, this side is shared. So I have hypotenuse and a leg congruent to a hypotenuse and a leg. So these two triangles are congruent by HL, which means if this is 5, this is also 5. So I can write 5 here. So that's nice. Now, what else? Oh, actually, I can figure this out as well, right? This is a triangle on its own, a right triangle on its own, and that's 13. So I can try and figure out, okay, what is this? Well, this, I could say this is A, this is B, this is C, so 5 squared plus, I don't know, squared equals 13 squared. So that's 25 plus something equals 169. Subtract 25. So whatever I had squared is going to equal 4, 16, 15, 14. 144. And then square root both sides. I'm going to ignore the negative because we're just considering the positive distance. So question mark equals 12. So this part here, this is 12, which is the same as that. Now I can do a whole another problem. So I'm looking at still trying to find x. That's still our goal. So if I'm looking at this entire side length, it's going to be x and then plus 5 more. I don't know what that is, but I can write down this. So for this triangle, that would be 12, that would be 20, and this side here, the whole thing is going to be x plus 5, or 5 plus x, same idea. And then I'll do Pythagorean theorem all over again. I'll say maybe this is A, B, C. So x plus 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 20 squared. The AC just came on. Maybe you heard it. So what people may not remember is how to do this, so I'll do it in red here. X plus 5 squared, that means times itself. So I would have x plus 5 times x plus 5. And one way some people do this is by using a box. They use the box method, which is completely fine. I think it's a little bit more writing, but maybe it keeps you organized. It's a positive 5. So, and then I multiply to fill this in. So x times x, whoop, there. So you write each term on the top, each term here on the side, and then x times x gives you x squared. X times 5 positive is positive 5x. Same here. And then positive 25. And then I write this all down. And that would be x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25. Combine like terms. X squared plus 10x plus 25. So this, which was this, becomes that. And I will have x squared plus 10x plus 25, and then bring this down, plus 12 squared is 144, equals, and then 20 squared is 400. So, right, 2 times 2 is 4, 20, yeah, okay. Then I will continue. I will combine like terms. That's between this and this. And what do I have? I have x squared plus 10x, 144 plus 25, that's 169, equals 400. Oh, and then it's solving a quadratic. Didn't expect that. Okay, here's how to solve a quadratic. You could use the quadratic equation, or you can try and factor. I'm going to try and factor. Let's see, minus 400. So that goes away. X squared plus 10x. What is this? 400 minus 169. Cancel. $231. So minus 231 equals 0. So negative 231 in the top, 10 in the bottom. What times what gives you negative 231? Well, that's going to be I guess I could just start going. Divided by 2. Here, this is what I'm doing. No. 231 divided by 3. 77 and 3. Nope. 231 divided by 4. 231 divided by 5 won't work. Divided by 6. No. 231 divided by 7. 7 and 33. No. 231 divided by 8. 9. 231 divided by 10. 11. 11 and 21. Hey. So that works. 11, 21. One of them has to be negative, and it's going to be the 11. So I get x minus 11 times x plus 21 equals 0. Set each piece equal to 0. And then subtract. So I either get x equals 11 or x equals negative 21. We're going to cross that out because we don't want negative side lengths for this. So x equals 11. That was a lot of work.